Of course, Chris's shirt does that. Nerds! Oh, that's adorable. How are you freaking hot in that? That makes no sense. How's that physically possible? That's just so weird. That's funny. That's adorable. He's a nerd. That's so funny. He's dressed like a nerd. Oh god, it's so funny. I don't know why I find it funny, but it is. I shouldn't find it funny, but I do. Why did he take his shirt off? What the heck? That's funny though. Okay, now flip it.